It started with a broken tool and a crazy idea. No one believed this could actually work. He grabbed a simple rivet, locked it into his drill, and what happened next left everyone speechless. The sound, the speed, the precision, it looked like something straight out of a workshop legend. Every move was perfect, every rotation flawless. He didn't buy an expensive tool. He built one with his own hands. And the result? A masterpiece of pure genius. Watch closely, because once you see this, you'll never look at a rivet the same way again.